Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a quick night point of view test drive with the new MG ZS. This is the luxury trim and we have the lovely red color. Let me show you the car from the rear and then we will quickly go on a nice relaxed night point of view drive. You can see the beautiful lighting signature for those taillights, and also you saw it on the front for the headlights. And now this is the interior. Let me jump inside. All right, this is the layout as a driver. Press the start button. There we go. We have the lovely digital cockpit, and here in the middle the 12.3-inch main touchscreen. This is the gear selector for the automatic transmission. Put it to drive and we are ready to go. So let's start with the specifications of the model in our video. It's got the Hybrid Plus powertrain. It consists of the 1.5 liter petrol unit producing 102 horsepower and the electric motor with 136 horsepower. And I will now go back and you see the 360 cameras helping you when you maneuver through parkings like this one. So the combination of already mentioned 1.5 liter petrol unit with 102 horsepower and the electric motor with 136 horsepower. Now the combined output is 145 kilowatts, which is around 196 horsepower. And the result is nice and smooth drive. You have the 1.83 kilowatt hour battery and also the 45 kilowatt generator which charges the battery. Now the car has got different driving modes, and you see now, for example, we're driving just on electric power, and you have 3 driving modes, but the system itself, the Hybrid Plus system, has different modes of doing things. Now here in front of us on the digital cockpit you have different views, and you have, for example, the energy flow here, then the power meter, and also if you swipe it here to the right you can adjust the brightness, and also you have this view as well. And then when you have things such as cars and vehicles around you, this will change. Now in order to change the AC settings, for example, you can do it here, but also we have the custom buttons, and currently this one is set for the AC, so I can now adjust the air blower with the button, so that is cool, and also the temperature as well. And you see how nice and smooth the drive is. So again, now with electric power, and this system is so good. I think you will love the driving in this car. It is so relaxing. Now we also have the other custom button, which is currently set for the recuperation of energy. So 1, 2 and 3, and then you can adjust it by pressing the button here. So you see now it's set on 3, which means if I release the throttle, the car will start to slow down and recuperate the energy. So I will now do it, and you see it is slowing down. And I want to hear your thoughts. How do you like the design? You can watch my point of view drive during the day. I went on country roads, so you can see also country roads and highway, how that looks. And also there's a full review during the day, so there you will be able to see more details about the infotainment system, trunk space and stuff like that. There are 3 trims available: standard, comfort and luxury. So those are the trims here in Croatia. And yeah, this is the top of the line luxury trim with red color. I think this spec is very nice. And tell me in the comments, how would you spec it? There are various colors available. My personal favorite is the new green one that is available here in Croatia, and I will actually get that one on test. So there will be videos with that car, and looking forward to that as well. Stay tuned, of course. I think in around 1.5 months or 2 months maybe, something like that. I have it for a 7-day test, so there will be plenty of more videos with the MG ZS Hybrid Plus. Now, speaking about the powertrain, next to this Hybrid Plus there will also be a petrol model coming next year. Of course, you have the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and this infotainment system is really good. It's very easy to get used to it. And well, yeah, that was the first quick night point of view drive. You can again watch my point of view drive during the day to see more details about the drive on country roads and on the highway. But that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more to come, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.